upper one third and the middle one third, you can see this foramina that is called as a nutrient foramina, and I told you that is it is directed upwards and longitudinally upwards and obliquely upwards, right? And it is receiving the nutrient artery from which is a branch of the anterior interosseous artery. ठीक है? So ulna की जो blood supply है that is coming from the anterior interosseous artery. याद रखना, ये हम पढ़ेंगे बाकी, ठीक है ना? We'll start with the soft tissue from the next week, right? So we'll be talking about this anterior interosseous artery also, right? So it is getting this blood supply from the anterior interosseous artery by this nutrient foramina. Okay. Now its upper 3/4 is concave. The upper 3/4 of this surface is concave, and it is going to give origin to the muscle that is named as the flexor digitorum profundus muscle, the deep muscle of the forearm compartment, right? The deep flexor muscle, that is a flexor digitorum profundus. And the lower 1/4, it is also concave but smooth, and it is, covered by the muscle, the pronator quadratus. So anterior surface पे दो muscle हैं, जैसे anterior border पे भी थे ना दो muscle attached, तो anterior surface पे भी of course upper part में there is a flexor digitorum profundus and the lower part में pronator quadratus. अच्छा, but remember over here you can see, okay, just show the attachment first of all. Okay, now you can see the upper, this is the anterior surface, right? So upper 3/4 concave, and it is going to receive the is going to give the origin to the flexor digitorum profundus muscle, and the lower 1/4, right, along its anterior border, it is going to give origin to the pronator quadratus muscle. And then you can see the upper 3/4 and the lower 1/4, it is separated by a ridge, a longitudinal ridge here, which is just running downwards and medially, and which is basically representing the line of the attachment of the pronator quadratus muscle. ठीक है, but ये याद रखिएगा. Now we'll talk about the medial surface. तो medial surface आप देख लीजिए, it is a medial surface, ठीक है, and it is between the two borders. कौन-कौन से borders है जी? Anterior border and the posterior border, ठीक है. Anterior surface का है, it is between the interosseous border and the anterior border, ठीक है. और the जो medial surface है, that is between the anterior border and the posterior border, and it is broad and concave on above and narrower below, right? And it's again in its upper part, it is going to give origin to the flexor digitorum profundus muscle. ठीक है जी, clear? And the lower 1/4 of the surface is, you can feel by yourself, that is subcutaneous. ठीक है, you can feel the ulna, the lower 1/4 of your forearm, that's the medial border of your, right? And this is subcutaneous. So upper 3/4 of the medial surface, it is going to give origin to the flexor digitorum profundus muscle, and the lower 1/4, it is subcutaneous. So we'll go to the dorsal surface picture. पहले आपको dorsal surface दिखा देते हैं. Okay. Now have a look over the dorsal surface, better. The dorsal surface here, this one is the dorsal surface, and this dorsal surface is present between the posterior border, this one, and the interosseous border, this one. The dorsal surface is present between the posterior border and the interosseous border, and in its upper part there is an oblique ridge. Here you can see in the upper part, I told you there is an oblique ridge that is extending from the posterior aspect of this radial notch and going to join with this, posterior border, right? And again, this ridge I told you that is called a supinator crest. So above this supinator crest or this ridge, this triangular area, it is going to receive the insertion of the anconeus muscle. Okay, just show you the attachments now. Can you have a look over here? You see? Now, this is a ridge over here running obliquely from the posterior aspect of the radial notch, ऐसे आ रहा है, right? और इसके जो ऊपर वाला triangular area है, that is going to receive the insertion of the anconeus muscle. And this ridge itself, I told you, the supinator crest. So यहाँ पे किस muscle की origin हो रही है? That is the supinator muscle is attached. ठीक है जी? Now, the upper part of this ridge is receiving the supinator muscle. ठीक है जी? कोई problem तो नहीं है बच्चे? Dorsal surface पे कोई confusion तो नहीं है. Dorsal surface पे I told you that it is present between the posterior border and the interosseous border. Number one. Number two, इसके ऊपर part पे ये supinator crest है और ये ridge है. उस ridge के जो ऊपर triangular area है वहाँ पे anconeus muscle attached है. और supinator ridge पे of course supinator muscle is attached. Okay. And the remaining posterior surface, ये जो remaining posterior surface है ना बेटा, it is divided into two parts by this ridge. ये आपको ये ridge नजर आ रहा है, ये white line नजर आ रही है, ठीक है जी. So this ridge, and this ridge is going to divide this posterior surface into the medial part and the lateral part. ठीक है जी, medial part and the lateral part. और ये जो medial part है here, it is smooth and covered by the extensor carpi ulnaris here. ठीक है जी, एक्सटेंसर कार्पी आ रहा है, एक्सटेंसर कार्पी अल्नारिस है, ये मसल यहाँ पे मौजूद है, राइट. सो इसके लेटरल पार्ट पे एक मसल इसको कवर किया हुआ है. मैंने बताया था एक्सटेंसर कार्पी अल्नारिस कहाँ से ओरिजिनेट कर रहा है, द एपोन्यूरोसिस and the posterior surface of the ulna, right. So extensor carpi ulnaris is coming from here, and और जो इसका जो lateral part है, it is wider, ठीक है, and rough. Wider है और rough, and is going to give origin to the four muscles. Yes, you can see four muscles in a row, right. The lateral part is going to give origin to the four muscles in a row. Number 1, supinator. Number 2, abductor pollicis longus. Number 3, extensor pollicis longus. And number 4, extensor indicis. ठीक है. So एक supinator muscle, other one is abductor pollicis longus. दो जो है ना, ये आपके pollicis और thumb के muscles हैं, abductor pollicis longus and the extensor pollicis longus. और एक आपके इंडेक्स फिंगर का मसल है, दैट इज द एक्सटेंसर इंडेक्स, जो कि एक्सटेंडर है, जो आपकी इंडेक्स फिंगर को एक्सटेंड करता है, राइट. इसे एक्सटेंसर इंडेक्स. इज इट क्लियर बच्चे? पोस्टीरियर सरफेस में कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है जी? वी आर फिनिश विद द सरफेसेस. कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो बच्चे बताओ. हुज़ैफा, आज ये कोई भी नहीं बोल रहा, क्या मसला भी आ सबको? सो तो नहीं रहे? समझ नहीं, यहाँ पे तो क्या
सर जिंदा है.
क्या मतलब 48 लोगों में से ऑन करके तो नमाज पढ़ने चले गए हैं. ओके फाइन. सो वी आर लेफ्ट विद द लोअर एंड. ठीक है जी. लोअर एंड इज वेरी सिंपल. इट हैज गॉट द टू स्मॉल एमिनेंसेस. ओके, यू सी द lateral one is larger, you can see.
नहीं सर आ रही है समझ, इसलिए.
अच्छा गुड बेटे, आज क्वेश्चन नहीं ना आ रहे तो मैंने कहा शायद आवाम सो रही हो. सो द लोअर एंड में बेटे वी हैव गॉट द टू एमिनेंसेस. ठीक है, अब मैंने बताया था लोअर एंड इज अ नैरोर वन, और इसमें दो स्मॉल प्रोजेक्शंस हैं या एमिनेंसेस हैं. द वन इज अ राउंडेड, द लार्जर एंड द लेटर वन इट इज राउंडेड एंड इट इज आर्टिकुलर. ठीक है ना, ये आर्टिकुलेट कर रही है. ये बेसिकली क्या है, दैट इज द हेड ऑफ द अल्ना. ठीक है, द राउंडेड वन इज द हेड ऑफ द अल्ना and the other one is a small projecting downwards, the medial one, and the narrow one which is projecting downwards from the posteromedial aspect of the head. ठीक है, that is called as the styloid process. तो the lower end पे दो features हैं. हमारे पास एक head of the ulna है, the small rounded articular surface इसकी है, और एक non articular projecting pin like structure projecting downwards, that is called as the styloid process. ठीक है जी. अब जो head है ना बेटा, I just show you regarding the head. Talk about the head now. Okay, overhead is this is the head of the ulna. ठीक है, and this head of the ulna, it is having the articular surfaces. ठीक है ना, it's part of which is the articular surface. First thing is that the head is a rounded part, right? It's a rounded in shape, and it has got the articular surface. The part of this articular surface which is directed downward. This is oval, right? And it is directed downwards, and it is going to articulate with this articular disc, which is going to separate the ulna from the wrist joint. ठीक है. So जो head है इसकी articular surface एक downwards है नीचे, which is oval shaped and which is just going to articulate with the articular disc. ठीक है, नहीं, upper surface of the articular disc which is going to separate the ulna from the wrist. That's why I told you that the ulna is not going to take part in the formation of the wrist joint. Wrist joint में ulna नहीं है जी. ठीक है, wrist joint is also called as the radiocarpal joint between the carpal bones and the radius. ठीक है. Okay, and the other part, the remaining portion, it is the lateral edge, right? So it's narrow and convex, the lateral convex part. ठीक है, इस जो इसकी जो दूसरी articulating surface है, that is convex. ठीक है, convex laterally, and it is going to be received by the ulnar notch of the radius. ठीक है, lower end of the radius की medial aspect पे एक notch है, that is going to receive the head of the radius. Is it clear जी? The other one is the styloid process over here. The styloid process is what? It is a pin-like process which is projecting from the dorsomedial aspect of the head of the ulna. ठीक है? And it is rounded at its end, and is going to give attachment to the ligament, that is the ulnar collateral ligament. ठीक है? एक और जगह आपको दिखाता हूँ. Here you can see it is going to give attachment to the ulnar collateral ligament, right? Is it clear, ji? Now, but this head is going to be separated. You see, head is going to be separated by this styloid process by a small depression. ठीक है? यहाँ पे एक डिप्रेशन, और यहाँ पे क्या चीज रहता है? द एपेक्स ऑफ द दिस आर्टिकुलर डिस्क. ठीक है? आर्टिकुलर डिस्क की जो एपेक्स है इज अटैच्ड ओवर हियर, व्हिच इज गोइंग टू सेपरेट द यू नो which is just going to be attached as a depression present between the head and the styloid process. ठीक है? बेस कहाँ पे अटैच होती है जी? आर्टिकुलर डिस्क की बेस कहाँ पे अटैच होती है? हुज़ैफा, एनीबॉडी? रेडियस नहीं पड़ी यार. The ridge which are just going to divide the inferior surface from the medial surface of the radius, lower end of the radius, जो दोनों आर्टिकुलर सर्फेसेस को सेपरेट कर रहा है, जो superior inferior radial joint को रिज जॉइंट से सेपरेट करी, यहाँ पे आके इस रिज पे आके, यू कैन सी दिस वन, इस रिज पे आके अटैच हो रही है. भूल गए यार? Well, so and the styloid process, between the styloid process, here you can see between the styloid process and the head of the radius there is a groove on the dorsal aspect, and this is for the passage of the tendon of the extensor carpi ulnaris. ये जो groove नजर आ रहा है बेटे आपको dorsal aspect of the head and the styloid process, यहाँ से the कौन सा tendon pass करता है? extensor carpi ulnaris. So we have finished with the ulna today. The clinical features में बेटा we have got the fracture, which is important one, which is the one that is called as the Monteggia's fracture. Monteggia's fracture, and it's a fracture of the proximal 1/3 of the shaft of the ulna. ठीक है जी? Proximal 1/3 of the shaft of the ulna with the dislocation of the head of the radius. ठीक है? Proximal 1/3 का fracture होगा और head जो है वो dislocate हो जाएगा. ठीक है? वो annular ring से निकल जाएगा, right? That is called as the Monteggia's fracture. There is another fracture that is called the Hume's fracture. ये जो ह्यूम्स फ्रैक्चर होता है, दिस इज अ फ्रैक्चर ऑफ द ओलिकोनल प्रोसेस. ये दिस इज अ फ्रैक्चर ऑफ द ओलिकोनल प्रोसेस विद द एंटीरियर डिसलोकेशन ऑफ द रेडियल हेड. इज इट क्लियर जी? Hume's fracture, the Monteggia fracture and the Hume fracture. Well, if there is a fracture of the shaft of the radius of the lower 2/3, तो इसकी conservative treatment है, ठीक है? Because it is wrapped by the muscles from all over. अगर वो ज़्यादा बेंड नहीं आया फ्रैक्चर में और ज़्यादा वो बोन डिस्प्लेस नहीं हुई, या शॉर्टनिंग ऑफ द बोन नहीं हुई फ्रैक्चर की वजह से, then you can just put the simple POP and give the rest for the 6 to 8 weeks, and this fracture will heal, right? So these are the 3 types of the fractures which are related commonly with the ulna. So we have finished with the ulna today, beta. And next time, in the next class on the Tuesday, we'll be talking about the anterior compartment of the forearm. और हुज़ैफा आप लोग सारे जो हैं forearm का anterior compartment पर के आइएगा, right? Because it's a big, topic, and we will try to finish it.
सर एक एक्स्ट्रा सवाल पूछ लूं?
एक्स्ट्रा पूछ लें जी. पूछो ना यार.
सर अगर कोई बंदा बोले उसको टेंडनाइटिस है तो इससे क्या रेफर होगा?